Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you what temperature I can get from a mini refrigerator. It works at 12 volts, but also at 220 volts. It can cool, but also heat up. It has a capacity of 4 liters. The cooling zone it is in back of the 4 screws. Here I will put the temperature sensor. For this I will use a thermometer with a display of the outside and inside temperature, and the time to see the cooling time. Don't forget, like and subscribe. The clock is 1:30 minutes, the indoor temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, and outside 24.7 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes the indoor temperature dropped to 6 degrees. After another 15 minutes the temperature drops only by 1 degree. After another 15 minutes the temperature drops by 1 degree. After an hour and 30 minutes, mini fridges reach a temperature of 3.5 degrees. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, like and subscribe.